Hello, my name is Chad Jones with the National Tile Contractors Association. In this episode of TileTV, I'd like to talk about the water we add to our dry materials. This could be our dry set cement mortars, otherwise known as thinset, our grout, and deck and fat mud. According to ANSI and the manufacturers, we should be adding a measured amount of clean, cool, potable water. Well, what does that mean? Let's break it down. A measured amount of water. That would mean that we would want to make sure that we're following the manufacturer's instructions when we're adding our water and measure it out to the proper amount, not just guessing. Clean water. That would mean that we would not want to use old grout water or water we just found sitting around. We would want to make sure that it is nice and clean. Cool water. That would mean that we do not want to use water that's been in a hose out in the sun getting really hot. If it's really hot outside, we could also get a drum of water and maybe float ice in it in order to cool the water down. And potable water. We wouldn't want to use water that came out of, let's say, a swimming pool or a pond. We would want to make sure that our water is potable, clean, cool, and measured. Once again, I'm Chad Jones with the National Tile Contractors Association, and I hope to see you on the road at one of our training events in your area.